Begin by unplugging the unit from the wall. Using a 5mm Allen key, remove the bolts at the top of the left and right console masts. Gently lift up the right side of the console to unplug the console cable. Then, lift the console off of the unit. Remove all screws from the back side of the console. Lift off the plastic cover and replace the short console cable. Secure a string or a thin rope to the console cable by tying it and using electrical tape. Secure the other end of the string to the top of the console mast. Using wire cutters, remove the zip tie attaching the cable to the motor controller, then unplug the cable. From the bottom, pull the cable down through the mast. Remove the old cable from the string and attach the top end of the new cable. Feed the cable through the frame and pull it from the top of the mast. Attach the two console cables and reassemble the console. You have completed console cable replacement.